pa rin yung mirror.
Yes.
Okay. Itutulak kita. Tulak ko muna siya po. Pero yung buhok niya,
Hindi sobrang.
Oo, medyo makapal din, pero hindi sobrang.
Mas makapal sa kanya.
Oo nga. Cool siya, obvious. Feeling mo ba warm ka?
Nung una, kasi akala ko morena ako warm. Tapos napapansin ko yung lipstick, parang hindi bagay sa akin. Mas gusto ko yung berry na color.
Okay.
Tapos yung nude sa akin ang pangit. Kaya sabi ko, nakakonfuse talaga ako sa kulay.
Okay, I therefore conclude. Tama na to, tapos na, alam ko na.
Upo ka na ulit doon.
Upo ka na ulit doon. Okay. Sige, mag-start tayo dito. So, meron tayong tinatawag na jewelry test.
Mm.
Okay? The jewelry test, mas madali siya kaysa kay Dayan, ano? Si Dayan mas mahirap. Ang dami kasi nangyari sa face ni girl. Tapos nag-swimming. Di ba? Pasaway.
Tsaka olive siya, di ba?
Olive siya.
Mm.
Did you notice that? Diane is greener on the surface. Ah, sir, we can sit here po and watch if you want. Oo. So, si Diane, pasaway, nag-swimming, ganyan. Tapos, she's greener on the surface. Like, you notice, if you compare your skin to her, she has like an olive cast. Yun. Okay. O, tignan mo, ha? How are you related? Your brother?
Husband.
Husband.
Mm.
Brother.
Ayun lang si brother. Nung nakaraan naman.
Brother din.
Hindi, nung nakaraan kasi may kasama din yung ano, tapos
Sabi niya brother.
Brother
Mag-asawa
din.
tapos hindi siya sumasagot. Asawa niya pala. Okay. So, let's take a look at that. May color harmony and disharmony na tinatawag. So, one piece will flow more with your skin. The other one is out of place. It's so obvious.
Parang ganda nung... Ito.
Di ba?
Although hindi ako nagsusuot ng white.
Bila! Hindi pwede.
Oh, yung sinusuot ko yung light na yellow. Hindi ako nagsuot din ng ganitong yellow gold. Parang light na
Ay, hindi kasi alam mo hindi maganda eh.
Mm.
Ito pa nga mas maganda oh.
Ay, talaga? Ay, grabe revelation to sa akin. Hindi ako nagsuot niyan ever.
Ayan, ayan.
Oh, di ba? Mas
Mm.
maganda kung mas matingkad.
Mm.
So, parang bright ka. Okay, so for reference, I'm bright cool,
Mm.
she's soft warm.
Mm.
So, in jewelry, in some seasons, you can only be prescribed one tone. So, in my season, I'm bright cool. Look at my stack. It's white gold with
Mm-mm.
diamonds. See what happens, Donna, when I flip it, it's white gold na lang.
Mm-mm.
Hindi na siya maganda.
Mm.
Walang dating.
Oo.
Pag may diamonds, mas maganda.
Yan.
Pero
sparkles. Yeah.
Oo, kasi nga
Bright.
bright. Si Coach Mai, dahil dahil soft siya, pwede sa kanya both.
Mm.
Silver and white gold, but 10K only.
Mm.
Yun yung light gold na sinasabi mo.
Mm-mm.
Yun yung hindi pwede sa'yo.
Mm.
Pwede sa kanya yun. Bitin yun sa'yo.
Bitin ba?
Kahit rose gold.
Kahit
Dapat
rose
ganito,
gold.
tignan mo.
Bright.
Bright talaga. Okay, sige. So, let's try it with the drapes this time. So, you can see what it looks like. Si husband ang warm, I think. No? Oo. Na ano kasi to namamana.
Ano man?
So, sometimes, if the parents are both cool, for sure,
Cool yung
the
kids.
kids are cool. Okay. Yellow gold. Look at the drape that will make you look more tired,
Mm.
a little sick, or sometimes it makes your face noisier or busier. Ibig sabihin, yung usual blemishes natin, they appear more emphasized in the wrong color.
Mm.
In the right color, our face is clearer. Okay, so yellow gold versus white gold.
Yan, parang nagba-brighten na
Oo.
siya. Wala akong white gold. Tsaka mga...
Hobby, may sinasabi siya.
Mas bagay ang white gold.
Tapos wala daw siyang
Wala akong white gold.
Sabi niya, ay wow. Okay. Pero nahalata mo, no?
Mm.
Mas madali yung sa'yo. Si Dayan, nahirapan kami.
Mm.
Hers is harder. Kasi nga she went here so dark. So, even if it doesn't really affect your season, it's a little harder to read if like you're sunburned.
Mm.
Yan. Okay, next. This is the worst on you. You can see it. Yellow gold
Yeah.
versus silver. See? Silver is again nicer. So, without a doubt, you're definitely cooler. Yan. Okay. And then this one, ito yung light gold na sinasabi mo.
Mm.
Hindi pa din.
Mm.
No? And then if you switch to silver, mas maganda. So you are cool. Hindi mo na ma-deny.
Kaya nga. Puro
Red
gold.
na yellow.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you are. You're even cooler than Dayan. Oh, you can say that to her. I'm cooler than you. Okay, let's do yellows. What's your favorite color to wear?
Yellow. Hindi,
Yellow.
black. Actually, black. Laging black or white.
Black and white are not universal, ah.
Oo nga eh.
The most universal color is blue. Pero let's see if
Although gusto ko ng navy blue.
Ayan,
Mm.
navy blue is the most universal.
Mm.
All seasons have it, even warm. Yellow is your favorite.
May mustard akong iba.
Oh,
Oh
no!
my God.
Wait lang! Pero yung ibang klaseng yellow, like this, meron ka.
Meron ba akong ganito? Parang wala.
Can I drape the yellow, coach? Okay.
Meron akong ganito. Parang meron akong ganito. Pero parang hindi kasi ako masyado more on black lang din.
What do you do for work?
Nurse.
What's your scrubs?
Blue.
Okay.
Dark, mga
Hindi siya
blue.
magre-resign.
Okay yun, di ba?
Hindi siya maglilipat ng hospital. Okay. If you're a nurse and you're cool, you buy fuchsia pink stets. Ganon ang mga hack. Para maganda ka.
Oo.
Okay.
Although may fuchsia pink din akong damit, pero okay.
Ayan. Okay. So, let's see ha. So, now we're gonna focus on bright, soft, light, dark. Okay.
Mm.
So, this one is obviously bright.
Mm.
Makikita mo matingkad siya. Actually, hindi siya masama.
Hindi na.
'Di ba? Kay Dayan,
Hindi na.
sobrang OA nito sa kanya. Parang nawawala na siya. Okay. We compare to the next drape. This one is a little less bright, but still bright. So, comparing the two, very bright, less bright. This is a little more peaceful. Parang hindi ka pwede sa sobrang bright. Bright na bright. Bright na bright to the point that it looks neon. Okay? Next. This one is light. From mid-bright to light. Hindi na maganda, no? Kailangan may konting brightness. So, in seasons that are bright, it's usually suggested na there's always something bright in your body. So, mayari, if your scrubs are navy, maybe pink Crocs, fuchsia pink Crocs, or yun nga yung stethoscope na yellow, ganyan. Okay, next. This one is soft and warm. So you can see how this harmonized with your skin. Kind of fights with your skin a little bit. And then we go back to bright. Maganda ulit.
Mas maganda yung brand.
Okay. Buti na lang mahilig siya sa makulay. Pero si Dayan din eh, no? This one is warm.
Ay.
Oh, ito na. Mga mustard na. Ikaw na mismo magtatapon nun. Oh. Diba?
Hindi gantong color yun. Baka mustard yellow yung sinasabi, mas bright.
Mas bright. Okay. And then you have this one. Very warm and very raw. Usually, if the basic orange colors don't look good, eliminated na si spring. So, spring colors contain the most, is the season with the most khaki colors. Yes. You're from Australia, the crocodile hunter khaki. Alam mo yun? So, wala tayo ng mga ganyan. Hindi tayo nag-outfit ng mga
Kaya
ganyan.
pala ang pangit nung tingin ko dun sa...
Wala tayong khaki. Ang version natin ng neutral, na safe, navy blue, white, black, and gray.
Okay,
So,
so walang
if-
khaki.
Walang khaki. So, kunyari, may mga bride na pag kinakasal sila, tapos parang naka-beige, hindi maganda. Yung iba naka-white, maganda. Yun. Pero kung titingnan mo yung mata nating dalawa, pareho tayo, the white part of our eye is like really white. That's an indicator that you're cool. Okay. Next, soft, warm. Hindi pa din. Okay, and then we go spring again. Hindi talaga maganda. This is where your under eyes are the darkest. You see that? And then this is your yellow. Diba? It's the exact brightness. Ganda. As a baby girl. Butter yellow. Or the other one, which is a slightly brighter version of this one, which is like a dandelion yellow, is also good. But definitely not the yellows in your autumn season.
Okay.
Yung, you know, the rustic yellows or the yellows that you would usually see in the sunset.
Yun pa naman yung mga meron ako.
Siyempre, Pilipino kayo.
Ayan.
So, meron talaga. Pili ko nga may boots ka na brown eh.
Meron din.
Tapos
Oo.
yun. Wala tayong brown ah. So, kunyari, Naka-belt ka ng ganito, bawal.
Ay, hindi brown. Black.
Black, white, ganun. So, this is our worst, ano. So, sa bahay namin, walang kahoy kasi cool kami buong pamilya.
Ganun pala yun. Pati yung hair.
Tapos, tsaka tayo sa mga ambient lighting na yellow. Dapat ganyan yung mga yun.
Ah, kaya pala. Parang ang bright ko dito.
True. Okay. Alam mo ito ba yung yellow na sasabi mo, yung bag mo?
Sa mami ko yan, pero parang ganyan. Oo.
Pwede naman, Ken. Sige, let's take out the threads. Okay lang. Pa-fold sa likod, coach. Yan. Okay. Next. Sige, closure. Ito yun. Ito pala yung pwede. Yan. Bright
Ah,
red.
okay din tong red.
Ang ganda niyan sa'yo. Ay. Pareho kang
Pareho.
season. Follow mo na lang ako sa IG, gaya mo lang.
Yan, kasi sa...
Okay. So, this is softer. It looks okay. But the next one is a little bit brighter. Ano ba? Nagsiskip ka dun sa ano?
Hindi, wala.
Ay, yan pala yun. Okay. And then ito, this is the wrong one. This is too deep. This is the red of Diane. So, you're both cool. You're bright. She's deep. So, basically, all your colors, she just needs to add black. That's her color. Okay. This one is orange red. It's not your red. So if the red is closer to the color of ang pao, it's the wrong red. Okay. Yan, this is better. Blue base red. Ito red.
Ito, mas
this
maganda
is
to.
nice. Ganda niyan. The icier, the better. The further it is from orange, the better. The closer it is to burgundy. Ay, the further, oh yun. The closer it is to burgundy. Nabubulag na ako sa dami ng color analysis. Yan, maganda din. And then the last one,
Ito yung hindi.
ito yung sobra na. So, hindi siya bawal. Like, pwede mo siyang suotin. So, kumbaga, di ba, dark cool siya. So, kinda yan, pag sinuot niya to nang hindi siya naka-makeup, okay lang. Ikaw, kailangan mo konti mag-blush, concealer ng konti, kasi hahabulin mo siya. So, it's too much for you. But you can see it, right? The best one is the second one, Coach. Can we show it again?
Kasi it's too dark for me. A little bit dark.
It's too
not
dark
bright.
for you. Yan, see, this one, bright red. So, you can buy, ganito. Diba kumukuha ka ng BP?
Stethoscope na bright.
Di ba? This one is nice. And then you could wear glasses like this. Yan. Black or red. Ganon. So, you're the one who could wear glasses. We are the ones who could wear glasses like with really bright frames. And then look at her glasses. It's translucent yung frame niya kasi softer siya.
Okay.
Okay. Sige. Next, let's do pink. Maganda to. It's a girl. It's a girl. Yan. Ito, hindi. You see?
Kaya pala yung ganyang color ko. Hindi ko masyadong ano.
Hindi mo ba? Soft to. Soft. So, hindi siya dark. Kasi kapag dark siya, parang close siya sa kulay ng cherry. Soft siya, kasi when you look at it, the color looks a little grainy or dusty. Doon mo malalaman na mapusyaw siya. Yun ang pinakabawal sa'yo kasi bright ka, ang pinakabawal mapusyaw.
Okay.
Pwede kang mag-deep, mas okay pa yon or light. Yung mapusyaw yung talagang bawal sa atin. Okay. Yan din. Tsaka warm yan. Masyado. Yan pwede. Cool yan. Okay? Yan din. Maganda. Yan. Pwede pa rin. Ito yung hindi. That's warm already. That one is guava pink. This one, Ken. This one of the best pinks. Green. Like, bright talaga. Headband. See?
Ay, cute.
Cute, di ba? So, sakto eh. Okay. Violet. Violet, nagsusot ka.
Hindi masyado.
Green. Hindi.
Oo, yung yung medyo, ang tawag doon? Dark. Dark na naman.
Dark na naman. Teal.
Mga teal, yan. Yun yung color ni Dayan, sabi niya teal.
Oo, teal. Maganda sa kanya yung teal and gold.
Hmm.
This one's also okay. Purple. Too dark. So the effect on you specifically is, if it's too dark, it makes your under eyes darker. Too dark. No, as you go darker, it looks worse and worse. No na talaga. The next one is the best.
Bright talaga.
Bright ka talaga, girl.
Kasi nagba-bright yung
It's
face.
like a star in the universe. Ganda sa kanya nung bright. Alam ko na. Boring naman, walang challenge. Dahil ang hirap eh. Let's show her the patterns, coach. So, huwag ka na ito malitong kulay na ginawa mo dito, nasisilip ko
Yan
pa
na
siya.
tinatanggal ko na yan kasi gusto ko na to. Hindi na
Mas
ako
maganda jet black.
black na.
Tapos, pag usually, pag bagay mo ang jet black, pag tumanda ka, bagay mo ang white hair.
Ah, nice. At least hindi ako magko-color.
Diba parang si Meryl Streep
Mm.
or si Don Zulueta,
Mm.
they're cool. But even if they have like white, stark white hair, it looks okay.
Mm.
Looks okay at them. Okay? So, sa pattern, meron din tayong bright and soft. So, you can see my top is like really bright because even if I'm far away, you can tell the details of the pattern. That's what it means to have a bright pattern. So, pagod. Ito soft siya. Ako bright. So, kunyari, kung bibili ako ng floral dress, dapat sa akin, malalaki yung bulaklak. Sa kanya yung mga maliliit na print. Sa polka dots, sa akin yung malalaking dots, sa kanya yung maliliit na print. Si Dayan, mid-bright. So, pwede siya sa mga regular size prints, not too small, not too bright. Theoretically, ikaw should be the brightest. Okay? Can I try it first on me para she can see? Pareho tayo ng season, ang feeling ko. Okay. So, this is bright. Si Dayan, pwede dito, tas pwede dun sa susunod na mid-bright. Sa atin, ang mangyayari, itong sobrang bright, maganda, pag nag-switch ako sa mid-bright, sobrang pangit na kaagad. Walang tawad. Gets ba? Lagi tayong
Doon lang sa bright na.
wala tayong choice. Kung hindi maging agaw pansin, essentially. Tapos pag sa soft, sobrang pangit na ng soft. Okay, so sige, try.
So like bright yung patterns, like
Oo. Or pwede ding bright yung combinations.
Combinations.
So kunyari, white watch and black jacket. Or I do, if you look at my shoes, off-white and then burgundy na lace. Ganon. So, as much as possible in our season, as much as possible lang naman, less monochromatic.
Okay.
More crashing colors. Pero pili ko bet mo naman yun.
Oo, mahilig ako dun. May peach pa nga ako eh. May peach ako gusto. Bawal ba yun?
So, kasi bright cool ka eh. Tayo yung walang tawad na cool. Si Dayan meron siyang
Meron
peach.
pa.
May warm pink siya.
So, yung yellow gold, hindi bagay sa akin.
Donate mo na lahat dun kay kabilang kapatid. Okay. Tingnan mo maigi ha, bright. O, di ba? Pareho yung effect sa atin. Kay Dayan, medyo umokay pa yung pangalawa. Sa'yo, yung pangalawa, hindi na talaga maganda. Does that make sense?
Lalo yung ano.
Lalo yung last.
Mas pretty tayo. Kasi mag-lipstick lang tayo ng dark.
Okay na.
Okay, yan. Oh. Bright stripes kasi magkakahiwalay sila. Okay? And then, with bright, hindi na maganda. Lalo na yung soft. So, your shirt is soft.
Soft yan.
Oh, kasi maliliit yung flowers niya eh.
Okay.
So, your shirt is the example of tama yung kulay, mali yung print. Diba? So, now you can see it. Like, you can see how small the details are. It doesn't really match your skin. Okay. Sige. Let's compare Dayan's season and yours. Saan kayo nagsistay?
Sa Antipolo, sa
Ay,
parents
sa
namin.
Antipolo Andun din si Dayan.
Andun siya.
Ba't di na lang kayo nagsabay?
Nag-aalaga siya ng mga anak ko.
Yun pala yun.
Pinag-alaga ako ng mga anak.
Okay. So, yung nasa right is cool winter. Yung nasa left is si Dayan. This is the bright winter. This is the deep winter. So, you can pretty much already see na this is too dark. Okay, let's try it.
Deep winter. Cool. Cool.
Mas maganda. Tapos, para makita niya rin si warm. Warm spring versus cool winter.
Mm.
Warm spring? Wala kang earth tone na.
Wala. Ala, puro earth pa naman.
Cool.
Okay.
Warm?
Mm.
Cool. Alam mo maraming cool ng Pilipinas.
Madami.
Yung teachers dito na mga nasa 30 teachers kami, 80% cool.
Cool. Kahit sa mga foundation yan, cool yan.
Oo, cool tayo lahat.
Mm.
So, ito yung blush mo. Yes. May dala ka bang makeup?
May dala akong makeup, so baka malinaw yung mga makeup ko.
Feeling ko nga.
Pati
Tama na
yung
yun.
accessory ko malinaw agad.
Totoo ba?
O kasi wala akong talagang white coat. Hindi ako nag-white coat, pati ito. Although may ganito kasi, may sparkle, pero
Hindi, mali pa rin
mali
eh.
na agad.
Pag kinompare mo to, tingnan mo. Oo.
Oo nga, talagang nagbabrighten siya.
Mm-mm.
Palitan na natin.
Ngayon din. Ibenta na. Hindi, ibigay mo yan kay Dayan. Wow, binigay. Hindi kasi yan yung pwede sa kanya. Okay. So, pag nagkikilay ka, ganito. Try kong lagyan yung isang kilay mo para makita mo yung difference. Dapat mamimimik niya.
Mm.
So, ibig sabihin, parang yung effect niya is, it looks like exactly like your hairs. So, when I buy pang kilay, I get from, if you're familiar with Benefit, I'm sure,
Mm-mm.
yun, they have like a cool gray pang kilay. It's really, really nice on cool winter. Nagko-contact lens ka ba?
Hindi.
Well, if ever you need it for an event, the best one for us is either gray or like just a black one.
Mm.
Pag nag-contact lens tayo nung parang brown, para tayong manananggal gano'n.
Pangit pala. Pero yung glasses, yung inaano ko, kasi may dala akong glasses dyan, parang
Anong color?
pink.
Pwede naman pink.
Bright pink.
Bright pink, oo. Pwede ka pa nga mag-silver eh.
So ito parang close to black yung color.
Oo, di ba? Para lang
Mm.
siyang yung buhok mo na parang kumapal lang siya. So you don't need to do much actually. Or you can just buy maybe a brow gel that's also great
Mm.
to make your brows a little thicker. But look, it looks exactly like your brow hairs. So hindi siya yung parang pag nagkilay ka ng brown, mapapansin mo yung mga areas na kalbo. Kasi brown yung mga areas na kalbo. Tapos
Mm.
iba yung kulay ng buhok ng brows mo.
Mm.
Okay? Then this is your blush.
Sobrang ibang-iba tuloy kasi brown din yung pang kilay ko.
Wala talaga tayong brown.
Okay.
Kahit khaki. This is your blush.
Mm.
Let's try it on you. Usually, mga moreno takot dito eh. Alam ko namang nilagay. Ready ka na ba ng outfit niya, coach? Yan. Yan. There. So, more pink and berry. So, tama ka dun sa berry. Ang mali mo yung brown.
Mm-mm.
Pag ginawa mo yun, kunyari tama yung blush mo, tama yung lipstick mo, tapos mali yung pangkilay mo, wala na, mali na.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so yan. So, let's try on some outfits.
Oops.
Lagay ko dito yung phone mo.
Yellow.
Katingin, palitan natin yung shirt niya. Dapat wala kang ano yung mga light na jeans.
Light
Dark
na
yung
jeans,
jeans
dark
natin.
dapat. Black.
Tapos kung gusto mo mag-light na jeans, white jeans na lang.
Mm-mm.
Tingnan mo yan. Hindi na lang mahilig ka sa colorful.
Gusto ko naman ng colors. Ay, cute naman.
Ito na yung pinaka-brown. Taupe.
Okay. Parang khaki. Hindi ba yan? Darker siya.
Ano siya? Gray. Taupe na. Parang brown na may pagka.
Mm.
Or,
Right.
ang bright mo. Careful ka because you're like taller than the average Filipino. People will tend to look at your feet. So, dapat pati yung footwear natin tama. Dami niyang gagastusin. Siya yung warm, no? Si husband. Sir, what's your name?
Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
Or? Ano siya? Soft autumn.
Kabaliktaran.
Kabaliktaran mo.
Yan. Ay, nice.
Siya yung bawal sa black. Siya ba may lagi
Ako mo lang ako.
Yan.
Ganda po.
Cute.
Mm-mm.
Tapos pwede ka
Ganda
rin mag-leather.
Okay.
So, in terms of texture, ikaw yung pwede mag-texture like sequins, leathers.
Base ba yun sa color? Base sa color.
Sa color pa din. So,
Color, tapos
Sa
yung
season pa.
texture. Oo.
So yung ganitong klaseng yellow, okay lang?
Yes, oo. Yun yung butter yellow. Mas lighter yellow. Yan.
Ay, sorry.
Ito, lighter yellow. Pag pang-fashion wear, or may date, ganyan. Or lalabas lang. Yan. Tapos,
Yan.
yan.
Ah, di ba? Bright.
Di ba?
gusto mo naman yan eh.
Gusto ko naman ng bright.
Cute. Tapos pwedeng replication. Kunyari, ganyan, burgundy dyan, tapos burgundy yung palda mo, or yung shoes
Doon
mo.
ang favorite ko burgundy.
Ah.
Ay, gusto ko din yun.
Lahat meron akong burgundy, like cap, shoes, basta lahat. Para kung
Headband,
sata ko,
ribbon.
lalagyan ko ng isang burgundy. Like ito, ayan. Mga
Mm.
ganon-ganon. Or favorite, ano ba ang favorite? Yellow.
Navy.
Ito
Ito
gantong
yellow.
yellow.
Oo.
Oo. So,
May
may,
shoes
shoes
din.
ako na yellow, may jacket ako na yellow. Tapos, pwede ko silang i-mix and match. So, pwede kang kumuha dun sa colors mo, ng mga favorite mo. Tapos, bili ka ng iba't ibang
Tapos yung pink, anong klaseng pink yung pwede sa akin? Ito?
Yung mga ganun.
fuchsia.
Okay. Ah, nice naman. Gusto ko din yun.
Pero pwede ka rin mag-baby pink. Like, nagbe-baby pink din ako pag medyo mas casual. Yun. Tapos yung bright pink, ginagamit ko siya na accent. Pag kunyari ako yung speaker, yung mga ganun. Pero
So, pwede pa rin klaseng baby pink.
marami tayong
Basta
pink.
bright.
Marami tayong pink and purple as winters. Pink, purple, and blue. So, dun usually nagre-revolve yung colors natin. Tapos, make it a little brighter. Kaya tumatawid tayo sa plum, yung mga ganun. Kaya bagay sa'yo yung berry shades.
Ito yung ipapart ng natin. Kunyari, yung palda. Yan.
Ay, cute.
Kailangan ganyan siya.
So, malaki yung patterns.
Yes.
Yung sasabi mo.
Oo. Tapos highly contrasted. So, pwedeng magkaibang kulay,
Mm.
ganyan. Cute to.
Cute nga eh. That's great.
Tapos ito yung green mo.
Anong klaseng green?
Emerald green.
Ah, emerald. Birthstone ko rin ganyan, emerald.
Ayun. Ang ano kasi, ang cool winter, nasa kanya yung mga jewel tones.
Fine green maganda din. Fine green. Dapat marami kang importante yung metal So, kunyari, if you buy a belt that's black, but the hardware is gold, it's still wrong.
Okay.
Kasi metals reflect light. So, even if like in the smallest pieces, you can see. So, pag bumibili ako ng bag, pati yung zipper, silver.
Okay.
Sobrang oil.
Sobrang big changes
Oo.
ako.
Pero ako yun eh. So, I can't be caught dead wearing the wrong color because we're color analysts. But you get my point, right? Like, para mas cohesive or put together yung look, tas easier to blend with each other. Just try to follow your season as much as you can.
Casey. Tapos ito yung red mo. Ano yung sun red?
Ah, yun yun rin.
Tingnan mo. Try mo siya. Yan.
Cute.
Di ba?
Mm.
Tapos pwede ka rin mag-red lipstick.
So, anong klaseng red to? Ganito?
Crimson red, para siyang blue-based.
Sabi ko.
Basta yung mga ano mo, yung mga reds mo, it's either blue-based or yung mga may hint of pink.
Okay.
So, bawal kayong ma-orange.
Mm-mm.
Yun.
Sige, dito tayo, Dayan.